Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have our pre-owned 2020 Infiniti QX50 Edition 30. I don't know why I tripped over my own words, but this is the Edition 30, obviously to celebrate 30 years of Infiniti. You have the distinctive Edition 30 badging. You're gonna have these unique wheels, and then you'll also have, where is it? There, the Edition 30 kick plate. Absolutely gorgeous. This features a 2-liter variable compression turbocharged 4-cylinder. That's what I have pulled up here, the variable compression turbo. Don't worry about the low tire light, just with the cold weather it's lost a bit of air, but it's still holding air just fine. It's still at like 27 psi, so we're fine. That will be fixed by tonight, by the way. So if you're looking at this video, it's already fixed. Panoramic roof, round view monitor. In sport, let's go for a drive. This is fitted with the CVT transmission as well. So not only is the compression ratio variable, the gears are variable too. The advantages of a variable compression ratio is you can tune the engine for more power or for fuel efficiency. One thing you might notice is turbocharged motors. Compression ratios have to be very specific. So what happens is when you need more power, the engine changes the compression ratio to adapt for the additional PSI from the turbo, which I think is something like 20 PSI, something right about that. It's a lot of boost, and you can definitely feel it. I really honestly, probably tonight, I'm gonna look up how that works, because it blows my mind that they're able to do that. Like that, the compression ratio in a motor is a pretty instrumental part in making it run. You know, there's the triangle. You need spark, you need air, you need fuel. The compression ratio is how much of the three together it takes to get that perfect burn. So the fact that this can change that on the fly blows my mind, honestly. a good amount of power. Go to Eco. Standard, let's do sport. Oh man, these things are just so much fun to drive. The previous gen had the VQ 3.7, which made that thing a riot. This motor is still a sweetheart. And a torque monster. You're just shy of 300 horsepower here, which is a lot of power. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.